Hi and welcome to today's tutorial all about invoices. Let's begin by clicking on the Invoices tab. Everything looks quite similar to the Bills tab, except here you can send out invoices to your clients instead of paying other companies for supplies and services. Let's add a new invoice. The form that opens is also very familiar. Once again, you have to enter a series and number, a date, and a due date. The difference begins from the fact that we now have to select an income type, since clients paying these invoices will result in us earning money. However, these will only count as income once they have actually been paid, not just sent out. We'll talk about registering paid invoices in the next video. So, let's enter the series, number, income type, and company. The person responsible is once again by default the person whose account is being used to create the invoice, and for this invoice we shall choose high priority. We will also need to choose a payment method, such as a bank transfer. Just like when registering bills from vendors, you can also add a note, but a feature that's exclusive to invoices is being able to list in more detail how much you are charging and for which products. And you can do that by clicking here on Add Items. However, we shall ignore that feature for now. So, let's enter the sum that we would be charging. Let's say 200 and click on Save and Exit. Once again, there is a filter available. You can either choose to show all, unpaid, or just invoices that have been paid in the current period of financial planning, and you can do that by clicking here. The advanced options allow for much more customization, such as filtering list items by priority level. Priority level allows you to much more effectively manage receiving payments. For example, we can assign a high priority to invoices which we expect to be paid by the end of the week, and then, filtering only high priority invoices, we can keep an eye on them more easily. Let's do that now. Note that the list includes clickable links. Clicking on the series and number opens up the invoice form once again, in case you need to change anything. Any changes made will be recorded and available for viewing in the History tab. Clicking on the company name will open that company's page in an external browser tab. Clicking on the income type opens up the form for editing it. However, this will only be accessible to users with the necessary access permissions. That concludes today's tutorial. As always, we will be happy to answer your questions in the comments below, and thank you for watching.